Good morning, students. In fourth standard, last period, we will start our 13th chapter. 13th chapter name is pattern. Then we see in this topic we see the points, number patterns. We solve some examples of exercise 13.1. Then next addition and subtraction of pattern. We see some examples of exercise 13.2. Then next one is multiplication of patterns. Then in multiplication pattern, 5 multiply with 5 is equal to 5 multiply with 1 is 5, 5 multiply with 2 is 10, 5 multiply with 3 is 15, and 5 multiply with 4 is 20. Here pattern is formed by incrementing order by 1. Here pattern is formed by incrementing order by 1. Then second example is 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45. Then 5 multiply with 1 is equal to 5. 5 multiply with 1 is equal to 5. 5 multiply with 3 is equal to 15. 5 multiply with 5 is 25. 5 multiply with 7 is 35. And 5 will multiply with 9 is 45. Here pattern is formed by incrementing order by 2. Pattern is formed by incrementing order by, that is 1 incrementing 2, that is 3, 3 incrementing 2, that is 5, 5 incrementing 2 is 7, 7 incrementing 2 is 9. Then next one is division pattern. What comes next? 256, 182, 64, 32, 16. Then here in this example 256 is divided by 2. Then we get 128 is obtained. 256 is divided by 2. Then 128 is obtained. 128 is divided by 2. Then 64 is obtained. 128 is divided by 2. Then 68 is obtained. 64 is obtained. Then 64 is divided by 2. Then 32 is obtained. 64 is divided by 2. Then 32 is obtained. 32 is divided by 2. Then 16 is obtained. 32 is divided by 2. Then 16 is obtained. Similarly 16 is divided by 2. Then 8 is obtained. And pattern is continued by dividing previous number by 2, that is 256, 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4 and 3. Then our next exercise 13.3. Then in this example we have given what comes next. First example is 324, 108, 324, 108, 36, up to next we have given then next first example is 224 divided by 3 we get 108. Then 108 divided by 3 we get 36. Then 36 divided by 3 is 12, and then 12 divided by 3 is 4. That is in dotted line we get 12 and 4. Then next complete the pattern, that is we have given 4 multiply with this is example of multiplication pattern. Then 4 multiply with 3 is 12. 12 multiply with 3 is 36. 36 multiply with 3 we have given next numbers. Then multiply with 3 multiply with 3. Then this is pattern. Then next one is pattern in our daily life. Pattern in our daily life. In our daily life we see many patterns. Let us consider this t-shirt. In our daily life we see many patterns. Let us consider t-shirt. Above t-shirt pattern is created by colors as in above t-shirt pattern is created by colors as first color is white, second color is green, third color is blue, and fourth color is red. The pattern is repeated after red color in the same manner. In the same manner. Next, we have given a pattern in daily life. We have given one example, that is example of t-shirt. In our daily life we see many patterns. Let us consider this t-shirt. The t-shirt pattern is created by colors as first color is white, second color is green, third color is blue, and fourth color is red. Then pattern is repeated after red color in the same manner. Then for example we have given exercise 13.4. We have given one picture of t-shirt. Then we have to complete this pattern. In this picture first color is gray, second is red, third one is blue. Then next gray color is repeated, next is red, then next lastly we get the color blue. Then again repetition of first color is gray color, red color, blue color. Then this is pattern. Then next second example is 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. Then next pattern is repetition of second, that is 1 0 1 0. Repetition of second, that is 1 0 1 0. Then this is second example of exercise 13.4. The next one is crack a code. Next one is crack a code. By giving a code we can make sentence of it by using alphabet numbers, that is alphabet A number use sentence, use code 1, alphabet B use code 2, alphabet C use code 3, alphabet D use code 4, alphabet E use code 5, alphabet F use code 6, alphabet G use code 7, alphabet H use code 8, alphabet I use code 9, alphabet J use code 10, alphabet K use code 11, alphabet R use code 11, alphabet K use code 11, alphabet L use code 12, alphabet M use code 13. Next one alphabet is N, then use code number is 14. Then alphabet O use code 15, alphabet P use code 16, alphabet Q use code 17, alphabet R use code 18, alphabet S use code 19, alphabet T use code 20, alphabet U use code 21, alphabet V use code 22, alphabet W, use code 23, alphabet X, use code 24, alphabet Y, use code 25, alphabet Z, use code 26. Then let us consider a code 9, 12, 15, 22, 5, 13, 25, 9, 14, 4, 9, 1. Here first code is 9, whose alphabet is I. That is 9 is equal to or 9 minus I. Similarly, second combination 12 minus L. That is in 12 we have given in the given example. In 12, number 12 alphabet is L. That is 12 minus L. Then in 15 alphabet is 0. In 22 alphabet is V. In 5 alphabet is E. Then third combination is 13 and 25. In 13 alphabet is M, and in 25 alphabet is Y. Then in fourth combination we have given 9 is code of alphabet I, 14 is code of alphabet N, 4 is code of alphabet D, 9 is code of alphabet I, and 1 is code of alphabet A. Then next one, exercise 30. The whole sentence is I love my India. Then lastly the whole sentence is I love my India. That is I love my India. Then next one code is 8 and 9. Then in 8th place H is given, and in 9th place I is given. The word is high. Then next one is number 8, 5, 12, 12, 15. That is in 8th alphabet is H, in 5th alphabet is E, 12 alphabet is L, that is H, E, L, again 12, that is L, and 15 alphabet is O, that is word is hello. Here word is given hello. Then third one example is pattern is 8, 15, 23. Here 8 is H, 15 is O, H is 8 is 15, 8 is H, 15 is O, and 23 is W. That is word is first one is this pattern word is 8, 15, 23. That is how, that is HOW. Then 1, 18 and 5. Then 1 in number 1 alphabet is A, in 18 alphabet is R, and in 5 alphabet is E, that is RARER. Then next third one pattern is third one combination is 25, 25 is Y, 15 is O, and 21 is U. That is this combination is given combination 8, 15, 23 is HOW. That is how 1, 18, 5 is R, that is ARE, and next one is 25, 15, 21. Then this is U, that is YOU. Then here the whole sentence is how are you. Then fourth one example is 9. The alphabet of 9 is I. Then next one is 1 is A, and 13 is M. I, M, and third combination is 6, that is F, 9 that is I, 14 is that is N, and 5 is E. I am fine. That is sentence is I am fine. Then fifth one example is 23. The alphabet of 23 is W. Next one is 8, that is H. Next one is A1, that is A, W H A. Fourth one is 20. Then W H A T, 20 is T, and 19 is yes. What's the first word is what's, WHATS. Then next one is 21. 21 word is U, and next one is 16. 16 word is P, that is what's up. UP, up. What's up. Then last example of exercise 13.5. First number is 14, that is the word is N. Second number is 15, that is word is O. Third one is 20, that is T. Next one is 8, H. 9 is I. 14 is N. And 7 is G, that is NOTHING. That is the word is here. The word is nothing. Word is nothing. Here we have finished our exercise 13.5 related examples to crack a code. Then here our topic is finished. Then in next period we will start our 14th chapter. 14th chapter name is data handling. We will stop here. Okay, thank you.